Hey, hello guys. So welcome back to other interesting topic. So we are in a furniture 25 episode. Uh, Episode 25. Already you are in my channel. Like if you've been following all the playlists, so this is episode 25. So today we are gonna make this parametric 3D model on the same profile what you have seen in the thumbnail. So this is being used for various interiors and industrial, purpose. So this can be done in metal or it can be done in a plastic, wood or something like that. So how are we going to make this design? So let's gonna teach you with a very minimalistic feature in SolidWorks. So without wasting much time, let's get started with that. So I've been created a new part. So basically we have to start with the outer profile of the lip and then gonna create a profile. So for that, what I will do, I will be creating a wanna select the front plane. From there, sketch. So this is our a plane where I'm gonna create a base or an outline sketch. So today I'm gonna use a inch as my unit. So one, I select the radius of around 13. So that will help to create an outline sketch for us. So get it at 12 something. Yes. Okay, this is my profile. Then later I'm gonna create a on the top. For outline, I'm gonna use completely on this 3-point arc. So other than that, I don't have any other feature which I'm gonna make. So I will be keep defining the sketch from this point. So you can make sure this all dimension or just for a reference. You guys can modify according to your need. Else you just follow the same to get to achieve this profile, and then later you can scale up the size which you are required for your purpose for your interior as well. Yep. So again, I want to trim this and this select. I want to make yep, gonna make at the center, like you're selecting the point. So from there I'll be again make a dimension of 0.5. Yes. Now I will define the height, something. I just want to make sure something like this. Yep, it should be an above. Yes, 3.25, close to that. So the top profile is ready. So this time what I will do, I will just select the sketch. Else you can also do one thing, like you can also draw a bottom and then totally we can mirror to the uh, rightmost side. So for the bottom, again I will be selecting a 3-point arc which will help us to create such so this time what I will do, I will just select a point. So I will make a symmetric so that the 1 inch will be the same for both sides, like 0.5 0.5 each side. It will be an equal. I will create some close to 4.5. 4 also should be fine. 4.5 let make. Okay, then to define, I will make sure this 1.5. Okay, so again on the bottom side we're gonna create a 3-point sketch. Make sure this two entity should be a tangent. I mean all entities should be a tangent, and select this point and select the center line and make sure it should coincide with that and trim it. Only thing is, like, we have to determine the radius 4 inch. So my the top and the bottom is ready at this moment. And also in order to make a little curve on the mid, so that will highlight our the profile more aesthetic, and as well as it looks like more way of lips. So this time again I'm gonna use the same kind of an arc, which is gonna connect the point. So I will select this two point and make sure it should be in vertical, and I will make sure this radius should be around close to 8. Yep, we'll define the height or the line, center line 4.2, what I have made for the previous model. So I will be following the same. Again, from this point I'm gonna make sure the radius should be a tangent as well, and then also I will make sure it should be 5, what I have decided. So my center profile is getting ready at this moment. Again I'm gonna create another profile by using the help of 3 point arc. I will be making the trim the unnecessary edges. Also the same way here. Yep, perfect. So this time here gonna make this, so we'll make around a 5. Yes, perfect. So the total profile looks like mesh, but when you try to follow each one it will be like interesting. So this time I'm gonna use this mirror entities. Gonna select, just drag drop all the entities or an arc being selected here, and where to about to mirror I want to select this my center line as a reference. I'm gonna select OK. So by this time my outer profile is get ready. So if you are new to my channel, please have a look on this Shapeit. So playlist, like I've been creating a product design, printable sheet metal component, furniture design, moreover on the macro 3ds and advanced SolidWorks Vision, where you can automate all the process. So many creative and innovative design which I'm trying to make. So but only thing is, like, we are very startup, so I'm expecting more subscribes from you and more support from you. As you can see here, not subscribed people are watching more, 81 percentage. So please do subscribe. That will motivate me to do a lot of stuff in upcoming days. That's what I'm just need from you. Okay, let's get back to our content. Okay, the base is ready now. I'm gonna select the right plane. From there I will create a reference plane by keeping that as a reference. The other reference could be from there. I will be selecting this point so that my initial profile will be ready. So first let's create a plane on this sketch. I'm going to create a file. Let's draw a line to connect these 2 points, and then gonna for an again a 3-point arc. This is in 3 arc, again connecting all edges. This is how we have to make this center point and this center point to make it as an horizontal. This will be, I know that. Before that, let's connect these 2 points to edges. Before that, let's get hide this plane so that there won't be any interference or disturbance. To make sure constant, and this 2 point will make sure coincident. Okay, so we'll make it as 0.5 something. Oops. Okay, this to be equal. Yes, and this time this profile I would like to have around 0.05, because this, let it be to 5. Yes. So making this center of 5. Okay, the initial profile is ready now. Starting profile, and from there I'm going to create one more plane to connect the end of this. So follow to that I will be creating the same sketch which I want to like have a convert entity to have the same profile at the end of this. So my starting and end profile is get ready. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna select the mid plane of the profile, so that is a right plane. So we're gonna select the sketch again. By connecting that, I'm gonna draw a line from this point to this point. Gonna make an arc. Yes, same 3-point arc, and then from there you're gonna connect this point. Yes, perfect. So let's get to the normal to the view. Let me draw a center line for my reference. Again, this to determine the total height of the profile. Yep, horizontal. Oh, sorry. Vertical. I'll be defining this could be around 1.5 inch. Yes, this should be a tangent to this. So instead of this, what I suggest is we'll remove this. We're gonna maintain the same mm, same profile from that. So I will make the tangent. So this to be again a tangent. This will be symmetric. Yep, perfect. My favorite tool of trim, I'm gonna trim this. Okay, been connected. Oh, the only issue what I really think is to connect this to profile. Yes, I don't know what happened to this we have to connect here, which is getting stopped. Oops. Let's remove at this moment. Okay, I will connect this to our tangent. Yes. For now, only challenge we have is to determine this two as a tangential to the profile. Yes, perfect. So my center profile is ready, height of 1.5, by using the same 3 arc and the bottom one sketch. I mean, one line will help to close the profile. So my end to starting to end and the mid is ready. So now we have to make a one mid profile where we will connect between these two. I will be selecting right plane, mid plane, and the starting plane, so that the mid plane will get generated. So now I will be selecting a plane 3 to create the similar profile, but this time the height of the overall profile will be get reduced. So let's create like this. So I'm gonna use this same convert entities to create, and I'm gonna select this time as a tangential to this profile. Okay, let's create an height center line. Yes, so where you can see this is a total height which I want to have around 0.5. We will make an offset, so almost close to that. So I will select this as a tangential to me. So already we made, so I will be using my favorite tool of trim entity to remove this. We can also mirror, but this time what I will do, if even if you mirror, this profile may not match with the, I mean the top profile may not match with the bottom one. So we'll trim as same we did before, or we can connect. Maybe we cannot connect because at the end point is a different for us now at this moment. So mid profile is ready, so we're gonna do interesting thing on the other side. So same way, similar way. So the center plane, I mean the mid plane of the profile, and using the end profile, I will be creating the duplicate the way how we want, like a mid plane. I'm going to use this over here. So I will be selecting the sketch, select this sketch 5 as an entity. Perfect. So my overall profile is ready. So now we're gonna use Loft base as a main tool for to create or generate. So the profile is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now my guide curves like to select the top and the bottom. Perfect. So at the mid I just like to have the same. I'll select OK now. Yes. I'll select OK. So this time all set. Good. By selecting again a front plane, I will be making the cut as if you could have been watched or continuously my playlist. You know what I'm doing at this moment. And if you are new to my channel, as I said, like, you just go back and watch the previous episode of my all videos, so that will definitely will help what I'm doing at this moment. And also how are we going to mount this. It's too much, so we'll try to reduce to 1.5, and this could be a 1.5. Yep. And gonna do extrude cut through all. Oops. Through all the intent that does not intersect the model. Please check the sketch direction. Okay. I don't know whether we have a multiple sketch. No, right? So this sketch we will come out and then have a look on that extrude cut through all both. Maybe this way. Yes. That I want all bodies, so I want all body to be selected. So this time I will be going with a linear pattern. The direction again on 0.3 because 0.15 what we have selected. So this time the direction we've been selected, and the future what we want is extrude cut. Yes. $60, you can reduce the size, does not require number of. So yeah. 0.3, I mean 0.15 what the extrude cut we selected from the cut to extrude. So I will be double the value of that, so that the each cut we will be having the piece of all the plates of wooden or a plastic. So this is how it looks overall. And in order to mount, you have to watch my previous video, so like it will be easy for you guys to see like how to mount. So this time what I will do, I will be removing all this single or the center entities. I will be making this to connecting point. Will be trimming again. So this is my base to connect the plate. Same 0.15. Don't merge with the profile. Yes, perfect. So overall you can paint this color and you can create. So the mounting is in my previous episode. You can try to watch how to mount everything. I mean, explained perfectly. And also I will try to link at the end of the video, so that where you can just check out of that video. So thanks for watching. Please do comment like if you are looking for more than what I'm doing it, and also what you are expecting, and if you have any clarification, please do write a comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Thanks for all your support. We'll see you in the next interesting video. Until then, bye from Shapeit.